Welcome back to Infinite Infotainment. Welcome, beauty enthusiasts, skincare aficionados, and those on the quest for radiant, flawless skin. Today, we embark on an exciting journey into the realm of skincare secrets, where innovation meets tradition, and where the pursuit of glowing skin knows no bounds. In this captivating video, we unveil 10 revolutionary skin hacks that promise to transform your complexion like never before. From ancient remedies to cutting-edge techniques, prepare to be amazed as we uncover the secrets to luminous, youthful skin. So sit back, relax, and get ready to unlock the ultimate glow with Skin Secrets Exposed. 10 crazy skin hacks you need to try ASAP. Results guaranteed. Without further ado, let's dive in. Hack number 1. The Charcoal Cleanse. Bid farewell to dull, congested skin as we delve into the purifying power of activated charcoal. This miraculous ingredient acts like a magnet, drawing out impurities, toxins, and excess oil from deep within your pores. Whether in the form of a cleanser, mask, or scrub, the Charcoal Cleanse offers a rejuvenating experience like no other. Say goodbye to stubborn blackheads and hello to a complexion that's clean, clear, and positively radiant. Incorporate this game-changing hack into your skincare routine and prepare to unveil skin that's smoother, brighter, and brimming with vitality. Get ready to elevate your skincare game with the transformative benefits of the Charcoal Cleanse, results guaranteed. Hack number 2. The magic of microneedling. Step into the realm of skin renewal as we explore the revolutionary technique of microneedling. This innovative procedure involves the use of tiny needles to create controlled microinjuries, stimulating collagen production and enhancing product absorption. The result? Smoother texture, improved tone, and a youthful glow that defies age. Though it may sound intimidating, microneedling promises transformative results for various skin concerns, from fine lines and wrinkles to acne scars and hyperpigmentation. Consult with a skincare professional to experience the wonders of microneedling firsthand and unlock the secret to radiant, rejuvenated skin. Embrace the magic of microneedling and embark on a journey towards a complexion that's truly luminous. Hack number 3. The delight of DIY face masks. Embrace the art of skincare crafting as we unveil the wonders of homemade face masks. From avocado and honey to yogurt and turmeric, these DIY concoctions offer a luxurious and effective alternative to store-bought treatments. Tailor-made to address your specific skincare needs, these masks are rich in natural ingredients that nourish, hydrate, and rejuvenate the skin. Experience the delight of pampering yourself with these indulgent creations, knowing that every application brings you one step closer to a complexion that radiates health and vitality. Say goodbye to dullness and hello to glowing, luminous skin as you incorporate the joy of DIY face masks into your skincare routine. Hack number 4. Cucumber Eye Mask. The refreshing and rejuvenating Cucumber Eye Mask is a timeless skin hack that soothes, revitalizes, and banishes under-eye puffiness. Enriched with antioxidants and vitamin C, cucumber slices placed over the eyes work wonders in reducing swelling and brightening dark circles. Not only does this cooling sensation provide instant relief, but it also hydrates the delicate skin around the eyes, diminishing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Incorporate this simple yet effective remedy into your skincare routine to experience a revitalized and refreshed look. Say goodbye to tired, puffy eyes and hello to a brighter, more youthful gaze with the rejuvenating power of the Cucumber Eye Mask. Results guaranteed. Hack number 5. The Lemon Juice Brightening Treatment. The Lemon Juice Brightening Treatment is a natural skin hack that harnesses the power of citrus to illuminate and rejuvenate your complexion. Packed with vitamin C and citric acid, lemon juice acts as a potent brightening agent, effectively fading dark spots, acne scars, and hyperpigmentation. Simply apply freshly squeezed lemon juice to your skin, allow it to sit for a few minutes, and rinse off with lukewarm water. With regular use, this DIY treatment helps to even out skin tone, leaving you with a radiant, luminous glow. Embrace the transformative benefits of this simple yet effective remedy and unveil a complexion that's visibly brighter and more youthful. Say hello to radiant skin with the lemon juice brightening treatment. Hack number 6. The power of green tea. Green tea is a potent skin hack that harnesses the antioxidant-rich properties of this humble beverage to rejuvenate and revitalize your complexion. Packed with polyphenol and catechins, green tea effectively combats free radicals, reducing inflammation and protecting the skin from environmental damage. Whether applied topically or consumed as a beverage, green tea promotes a clear, radiant complexion by soothing irritation, controlling oil production, and minimizing the appearance of pores. Incorporate green tea into your skincare routine to experience its transformative benefits firsthand. Say goodbye to dull, tired skin and hello to a refreshed, revitalized glow with the power of green tea. Hack number 7. The beauty of sleep. The beauty of sleep is a fundamental yet often overlooked skin hack that holds the key to unlocking a radiant, youthful complexion. During sleep, your body undergoes vital repair processes, including the regeneration of skin cells and the production of collagen. By prioritizing quality sleep, you allow your skin ample time to replenish and rejuvenate, resulting in a smoother, brighter appearance. Adequate sleep also helps to regulate hormones and reduce inflammation, leading to fewer breakouts and a more balanced complexion. Make sleep a non-negotiable part of your skincare routine and watch as your skin transforms from tired and lackluster to refreshed and radiant. Embrace the beauty of restful slumber and awaken to a complexion that's positively glowing. Hack number 8. Apple Cider Vinegar Toner. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, toner is a natural skin hack that has been cherished for centuries for its remarkable benefits. Rich in acetic acid and antioxidants, ACV acts as a powerful astringent, helping to balance the skin's pH levels, tighten pores, and control oil production. When used as a toner, diluted ACV effectively removes residual dirt and impurities, while also exfoliating dead skin cells to reveal a smoother, more radiant complexion. Additionally, its antimicrobial properties make it a potent solution for treating acne and blemishes. Incorporate ACV toner into your daily skincare routine to experience the transformative effects firsthand. Say goodbye to dull, uneven skin and hello to a clearer, more youthful glow with the beauty of apple cider vinegar. Hack number 9. The power of hydration. The power of hydration is a foundational skin hack that serves as the cornerstone of a healthy, glowing complexion. Adequate hydration is essential for maintaining skin elasticity, firmness, and overall health. By replenishing moisture levels both internally through hydration and externally with hydrating skincare products, you can effectively plump up the skin, diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and create a luminous, dewy complexion. Additionally, well-hydrated skin is better equipped to defend against environmental stressors and maintain a balanced pH level, reducing the risk of irritation and inflammation. Make hydration a priority in your skincare regimen and unlock the transformative benefits of a well-moisturized complexion. Say goodbye to dry, lackluster skin and hello to a radiant, youthful glow with the power of hydration. Hack number 10. Aloe Vera Gel. Last but certainly not least is aloe vera gel, which is a versatile and time-tested skin hack that offers a multitude of benefits for achieving a clear, radiant complexion. Rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, aloe vera gel possesses potent anti-inflammatory and healing properties that soothe irritated skin, reduce redness, and accelerate the healing process of wounds and blemishes. Its lightweight texture makes it suitable for all skin types, providing hydration without clogging pores. Whether used as a moisturizer, spot treatment, or soothing mask ingredient, aloe vera gel effectively calms and rejuvenates the skin, leaving it soft, supple, and revitalized. Incorporate this natural wonder into your skincare routine to experience its transformative effects firsthand. Say goodbye to skin woes and hello to a radiant, glowing complexion with the power of aloe vera gel. Thank you for joining us on this illuminating journey through Skin Secrets Exposed. 10 crazy skin hacks you need to try ASAP. Results guaranteed. We hope these transformative tips have inspired you to elevate your skincare game and unlock the radiant complexion you deserve. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more groundbreaking skincare content. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and be sure to leave your thoughts and comments below. We love hearing from you and can't wait to continue this skincare journey together. Until next time, stay glowing.